TTAG, the premier tourism body, said cases in Goa are at an all-time low. There is need to open up the economy. Government of India should put uniform restrictions. Tourism is suffering due to the antics of each state. It will harm the economy overall, especially states such as Goa who depend on tourism. TTAG's Nilesh Shah said, if we have to quarantine charter tourists, no one will come to get locked in hotels. There is a hype about new COVID variant Omicron and people are getting panicky.
It is very harsh and it is unrealistic because we are trying to open up the economy. Right now, we have all-time low cases in India. We are below 1 lakh. Overall, cases rise per day is also at bare minimum. And in looking into this situation, we should be more open up the economy and allowing the guest to come into. Now, putting that restriction when there is no alarming, unnecessary, it's been created hype and it's getting people getting scared, which is absolutely not correct. If you are, then what is the meaning of vaccination? And government of India should intervene, and there should be standard policy throughout India because tourism industry is suffering because of this antics by each state. When government of India health authority, when they come out with the guidelines, that should be the common guidelines followed by everyone. I understand if cases are going up and then you put up those restrictions, I understand, which is not the case. By doing this, I think it is harming the economy overall, and Goa moreover, because we depend on the tourism for our day-to-day activities, and we all are on survival mode and we are just coming out of these challenges. आता फिलहाल तेंच्यांनी अजून त्याचे क्लियर कट गायडलायन्स येवना की जे चार्टर टुरिस्टांक येतले तांकां क्वॉरंटायन करचे पडटले की ना. आता इफ एट ऑल इफ दे से ते क्वॉरंटायन करचे पडटले तर ते येवचे ना न्ही, पूण तो भितर हॉटेलान बंद जावपाक कोण येवचो ना न्ही. सो दॅट इज अ डायनेमीक सिच्युएशन आनी आय फील दीस न्यू वेरियंट वीच इज कमिंग इन तो चड हायप जाला.
Meanwhile, the director of the airport, Gagan Malik, spoke to Herald's Naveen Jha on the effect of the flights on travel due to the restrictions.
As a matter of fact, whatever guidelines have been issued by Government of India, they will apply to all the airports in India, in all the international airports in India. So Maharashtra has not done anything specific for international passengers. They are simply following the guidelines given by Government of India, maybe with extra precautions taken at their end. Yes, the foreigners which are coming to international airport at Mumbai and then wanted to travel as domestic passengers to Goa are going to face this problem because unless they fulfill the requirements stipulated by the order of Government of India, they will not be permitted to take up the domestic connections or for other matter, for otherwise also any international connection as transit.
True.
So yes, this can have impact. But at the same time, since most of the our foreigner guests are coming from UK, that is one factor. So Air India UK flights are operating. We are already in position. We are already taking care of the instructions by Government of India. As it is, we have got testing facilities and other things. So those who wish to come for Christmas can directly come to Goa.
The new variant of the COVID virus, Omicron म्हणजे नवीन नाव दिल्लें आसा, is already there in India now. मी जे म्हणटाले की पावचना पण already ते पाविल्ले आसा and it is very close to us. Bangalore 2 cases जाल्ले आसा, which is normally around 500 to 600, maximum 700 kilometers पयस आसतलें. आणि आमची बॉर्डर पोरस आसा, कारवारसून येवं शकता, बेळगांवसून येवं शकता. सो ऑल दिस इज कनेक्टेड, इंटरकनेक्टेड विथ द कर्नाटका. आमचे खुबशे बिझनेसीस आर विथ बेंगलोर. आमचे स्टुडंट्स शिकतात थंय, पेशंट्स वतात. सो वी आर इन कॉन्स्टंट आमची यो वच थंय आसता. लग्न कोणाची जाल्ली आसा थंय सोयरे थंय आसतले. सो आय थिंक नाव वी हॅव टू बी मोर केअरफूल. दीस व्हायरस जी आसा इज मोर इन्फेक्टिव्ह म्हणजे इट इज स ते 7 मोर चान्सेस ऑफ डेल्टापेक्षा चड पॉवरफुल आर इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग. बट थंय म्हणटा की ती लेस लिथल म्हणजे मरपाचे चान्सेस त्या व्हायरसान मातशे कमी आसा म्हणून. पूण वी कॅनॉट बी टेकिंग थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड. वी हॅव टू बी एक्स्ट्रीमली केअरफूल. आमी पयलींच आमच्या पयलींच्या मोडान वचूंक जाय विथ कोवीड एप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर, प्रॉपर मास्क घालप, हात धुवपाचे आनी सगळे सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग पाळपाचे. प्रिफरन्सली जे एसीन बिसीन जाय चड इनडोर जे प्रोग्राम्स आसा ते मातशे अवॉयड करपाचे. Let's be responsible.